Hello, thanks for dropping in. So in front of me is the manual for an NX-1000C printer. And behind it, as you know from my previous videos, is that printer, which I have been testing, and it seems to be quite dandy. Quite dandy. So to get the test print to come out, there are two ways, as we have said. And here is the test print that I got, or at least some of it. This is from the longer version, and that, what you do is you turn the printer on and you press the paper feed button. And, as you can see, the head is fine, the ribbon is not bad. Actually, I think the ribbon's pretty okay. And this printer seems to be working, although I do have to test it with a computer. Probably a Commodore 64. If I slide this down a little bit, this is what you will get if you turn on the printer and hold down the online button. It is called a short test, and it is short. It is. But once again, it seems to be fine. Everything's dandy. There are, in the long test, there are things, well, if you look up here, you'd think it's looking a little light, but that's because it only went over it once. The darker stuff, I believe it struck twice, which I suppose is closer to what they used to refer to as letter quality. So, I am going to pick up here. I'm going to go over to the printer just to show the switches. So, the power switch is at the front on the left side to get the short test. Hold down the online key to get the long test. Hold down the paper feed button as you turn it on. Of course, make sure there's a ribbon and paper and such. And there is the on-off button. So, next, I will assemble a machine to actually test this machine. I shall. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.